Hello, tea enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on a journey through the fascinating world of Korean tea to explore the delightful and lesser-known Omija tea, also known as five-flavor tea. Get ready to uncover the maximum unknown facts and unique traditions surrounding this unique and flavorful brew. Get ready to dive right in. Let's talk about the power of Omija. Omija tea is a true gem in Korean culture, prized for its exceptional taste and health benefits. The name, Omija, means five flavors, as it boasts sweet, sour, bitter, spicy, and salty notes. This combination of flavors creates a harmonious symphony on the taste buds, making it a true delight to sip on. Omija tea's origins can be traced back to ancient times. It has been enjoyed for centuries in Korea, both for its delightful taste and its medicinal properties, making it an integral part of Korean herbal medicine. Let's talk about harvesting the Omija berries. The heart of Omija tea lies in the tiny red berries of the Schisandra Chinensis plant. These berries are harvested in late summer, and each berry contains all five flavors, contributing to the tea's unique profile. Let's see how to brew the Omija tea. Brewing Omija tea is a delicate process that requires precision and attention. The dried berries are steeped in hot water to extract their flavors fully. The longer the steeping time, the more intense the flavors become. Let's talk about Omija tea's health benefits. Beyond its delightful taste, Omija tea offers an array of health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants and adaptogens, which help combat stress and boost overall well-being. This makes it a popular choice among those seeking a natural and soothing remedy. Interesting thing is Omija tea is very popular in Korean ceremonies. It has also found its place in Korean ceremonies and rituals. It is often served to guests during traditional occasions, symbolizing hospitality and goodwill. As with many Korean traditions, Omija tea also boasts regional variations. Different regions may have their unique twists on preparing and serving this delightful brew, adding to its cultural diversity. Omija tea fusion creations. In recent years, Omija tea has inspired fusion creations in the culinary world. From cocktails to desserts, chefs are finding innovative ways to incorporate the distinct flavors of Omija into their creations. There you have it, folks. Our journey through the captivating world of Omija tea, filled with maximum unknown facts and delightful surprises. I hope you enjoyed learning about this unique and flavorful Korean tea as much as I did. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future tea adventures. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep exploring and keep savoring the wonders of tea.